This person right here, Ricey, has made over $24,960 in the past 2 months, literally writing these simple little emails, and he's not even taking the time out of his own day to write these emails himself. What you don't know is there's actually 1 or 2 tools out there that literally write these emails for you, and you can build a big business online, such as a 5-figure business like this guy has made. And how I worked out how he made $24,000, if I take out his starting package at $130, multiply it by 192 reviews, because in order to leave a review you need to have placed an order with him, so that is 130 multiplied by 192, which is $24,960. That is a minimum, because not everybody leaves a review. It could be way more than that. I would be guessing anywhere close to 6 figures. And I've also been trying this out myself. So in the past 2 months, I've generated a net income of about $1,180, which is really not bad. So it's not 5 or 6 figures or anything crazy like that. But considering I'm new to this and that I'm a beginner at this, just like you would be if you started, this is really not a bad income at all. And from here, you can always scale more and more and take this 4-figure mark to 5 figures and then 6 figures in the years to come. Without further ado, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. And this strategy doesn't matter where you live. This is accepted in every single country in the world. So you could be sitting at home in Antarctica on your little couch and be making money online with this. And also, we don't need to take any money out of our pocket to go and pay for ads or pay for products or any software or anything like that. Everything in this video I'm going to show you is completely accessible for you and everybody who decides to watch this video without spending a dime. I've really tried to make sure that everything I show in this video is completely for free, so that you don't have to take any money out of your pocket. So there's nothing really to lose with this strategy. And also, if you're very serious about wanting to make money online and open up some freedom for yourself, I definitely suggest try and watch this video until the end, as it really can help in terms of setting up a solid income online that can really allow you to then scale and invest into something that can even grow your income even more. But on this channel, if you want to become an online entrepreneur, generate an income online, work from home from your couch, and really start building towards a dream or some goals that you have perhaps in mind that you want to reach, definitely go down below and subscribe down below to this channel, because on this channel I am posting on the daily, helping everybody out who decides to watch my videos to make some money online. Just free value here on YouTube, not upselling any people to these $2,000-$3,000 courses. All this information is information that I've learned from courses that I've taken in the past, and I'm just dropping this here on my channel for free, while at the same time I'm running my own online businesses online. Without further ado, we're going to get straight into my PC, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And back on this page over here, I want to show you guys how this guy's actually made more than $24,000 doing this. So if I come back to his gig over here on Fiverr, he actually has 3 different packages ranging from a basic, standard, and a premium. So these people that have left these 192 reviews are at least 192 orders. He's probably had tons of more orders where people haven't left reviews, because a lot of people place orders and they don't necessarily leave reviews. At least only 20% of people actually rate and review a service or product that you've bought. So that means this $24,000 could only be 20% of what he's actually earned from this. And also remember, he's got 3 different packages. So all these 192 reviews, one could have bought a standard package, the other could have bought a premium package, just making his revenue even more and more. And I'm going to show you how we can go and set up something like this and offer kind of like 3 different packages and make money from 3 different packages at the same time. And as I explained in the intro, all he does is he creates these simple little email sequences, which is email templates that people go and buy to use for the email marketing campaigns, because it does take a lot of effort to write out these emails and set them up. However, there are tools out there that literally generate us these emails completely for free. And this guy over here, Raisa, obviously he won't tell you that because he's making a killing from this. So I'm revealing his secret to you guys so that you can go and do this and make money like he's making. So take a look at this. There is this tool over here called marketleader.com/email script generator, where we can go and generate buyer and seller lead scripts for emails. So we can choose, for example, a contact email, a paid lead email, a contacting cold lead email asking them for a meeting, or a direct lead to a website if you want to lead traffic to a website. You can also choose if there's property, the minimum price, areas lead interested in, etc., and the email formality if you want it more like formal email, a business email, or if you want more of an informal or casual and brief email to kind of be more personal with your lead. So I'm going to take you through this step by step. So let's first go through this. Let's enter our first name. Let's go, for example, mindset. For our first name, let's go J Froneman, And make sure to keep watching because this tool is quite important to learn how to use. We put our email address and the website URL. We can just put, for example, youtube.com. What type of emails would you like for this lead? Let's go lead them to a website or like an affiliate link. Then what we can do is we can go and choose, click on create emails. So take a look at this. This email script generator generated an email related to properties. So you can see here, Dear Millionaire, which is just the example name I put in. If you're considering moving to the area, please feel free to visit my website and use its home bio resources. You can view homes that are currently for sale, get an understanding of local housing and market trends, and learn about the dining. So you can see it's a very good email generator, and then the email signature, yours sincerely. So this is a really easy and free tool to generate done for you scripts like this, and this is all this guy is doing on Fiverr. And just as an alternative, as another tool to show you that I've also used with the strategy is called builderall.com. So if you log into your Builderall account, this is this tool over here. Let me just show you the landing page. Builderall.com is a website where we can build landing pages, generate email scripts, run email marketing campaigns, etc. This is what the landing page looks like. So you can log in or sign up with your account, come over to your dashboard, and over here you want to click on enter script generator. And what I really like about Builderall, they generate you hundreds of templates at the same time, or even like 5 different email templates at the same time that we can go and use to make money online with this. So I'm just waiting for this to load. And this is what your script generator dashboard is going to look like. So you're going to click over here on generate script. Over here, it's going to come up with a whole bunch of different niches, such as coaching, author, speakers, sales, social media, and various different niches that we can use, even health and fitness. So let's, for example, go use affiliate marketing, as email marketing with affiliate marketing is very popular. We want to go choose on email scripts over here, and we can go, for example, choose a lead magnets welcome email. Take a look at this. It literally takes 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 seconds, and there we go. Our done for us emails, for example, subject number 1, message number 2 is all done for us. And we can go and use this on Fiverr.com to make a ton of money online. But make sure to keep watching at the end because I'm going to show you 2 other platforms that we can go and use to 3 times our earnings with this. So over here you can see welcome. I should first let you know that the entire team thanks you and we're grateful that you are on board. Now who am I? And you just put in your name. I'm so excited to have you join us. Many good things await for you in the near future. So this is a kind of like a welcome email as you saw the template. So if I come back over here, let me just click back once. Let's do, for example, a flash email series template. So we can click on that again, about 3 to 4 seconds, and this is done and generated for you. Over here it says, I know we've all been there. Luckily, I've got a solution to your problems. I've created specifically for you to help you get you back on track. Now you can get it here, and you will leave the link, for example, like you mentioned the deal. You normally sell these things for how much money. You want to play nice. So you can see the script and the way that these emails have written themselves out to sell or get your lead to click on your link or your product is really, really good and high converting, and that's why these emails work. And take a look here, this specific generated email has generated me 6 different email templates that we can go and use. So that is well over, for example, let's go $130 times 6 is $780. So the emails on this script generator over here is already worth at about $780 so far, according to this guy's price and what he would be making with this and what you can potentially be making with this as well. But what I do suggest is, if you want to beat this guy, take a look at this. If I come back to email marketing over here, he is charging $130. This guy's charging $50. This guy's charging $25. What I suggest is, you come in at about $20. You want your pricing to be low just in the beginning so that you can beat the competition. As I would rather have lots of $20 sales, such as $20 times, let's say 150 sales, that's $3,000, than $130 sales, only let's say maybe 10 of them. That only ends up being like $1,300. So obviously in the beginning, you want to price a little bit lower than your competition so that you can beat them. And then as time goes by, people review your gig, they rate them 5 stars, leave positive reviews. You can slowly but surely up the amount of your gig to make more money, because then also people get the impression that your work is a high quality simply because your price is higher, your stars and your 5-star reviews are very good. You can also create 1 or 2 other accounts on Fiverr to rate your own gig just to bump it up in the algorithm. So what I suggest is create like 10 accounts on Fiverr, and then you just go and rate your gig 5 stars each, and you just bump it up in the algorithm, and as soon as you hit the #1 page, you're going to be getting sales every single day, and this can become your full-time thing. But what I also suggest you do is not only Fiverr, come over to this website over here called Conquer.io, which is a smaller Fiverr alternative with less competition, but you can still get sales. So let's go email marketing. And by the way, you want to post on both Fiverr and Conquer.io. So take a look at this. This guy, for example, is going to create email marketing campaigns. He'll make email marketing campaigns for you. This guy's already got 95 reviews on his gig, so which means he's doing pretty well. So let's click on his gig. Let's take a look at this. So he's creating SEO backlinks and campaigns, and has already got 95 reviews at about $20 per sale. So he's doing well as well. And also on top of Conquer.io, you can come over to a website called Upworks.com, which is another excellent Fiverr alternative, which you can go and post gigs as well, and run now 3 gigs on 3 different platforms, increasing the chances of your sales and revenue by 3 times the amount, which is really, really good. You can also, for example, just type in Google Fiverr alternatives, press on enter, and take a look at this. Let's click over here, 8 best Fiverr alternatives, and you want to go and post your gigs on all of these, such as Upworks.com, we just spoke about, 99 Designs, go post your gig there. There's another one over here called Guru.com, which is another freelance platform. Go use TopTal. Another one called People Per Hour. I've heard of that one before. Freelancer.com, Truelancer.com, Outsourcely. Let's go to, okay, those are the only ones on this website. So I would suggest go and post a gig on every single one of these 8 alternatives to Fiverr. That now increases your chances by 8 times, and the chances of your revenue being 8 times higher, as now not only your gig's not only being seen on Fiverr, but it's also being seen on 8 other platforms as well, which is really big potential for big money online. So I really suggest go and do something like this. Set up a gig, get some influence from this top guy over here, have a look at what they're doing, replicate that, and go and repost this gig. Then what happens is people come on here, they place an order for an email marketing campaign. You can use the builder all script generator over here, or you can use this tool over here, and then all you do is once you're done with your work, you transfer that to your clients on Fiverr or whatever freelance platform that you've used. But what I'm going to do is, on the screen above, click on this link and playlist over here. This is an entire drop servicing playlist that I have taught on my channel completely for free. So what this is all about is, you can basically sell high income skills at huge markup without actually doing the work yourself. So you can go over to Fiverr, charge a guy on Facebook ads, for example, $300 to design a website. All you do is you come over to Fiverr, pay a freelancer $40 to the same website. You then transfer that work from Fiverr to your client, and you keep $270 profit in your pockets, and you didn't even do any of the hard work at all. So this playlist really teaches you how to make high ticket sales on high income skills and services without actually doing the work yourself. So I suggest if you want to learn more about freelancing and Fiverr work, go and click on this playlist above, and I'll see you there.